In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix lines on your iPhone screen. If you do find this guide helpful though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you ever have any questions throughout this tutorial, just go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. I'm going to do my best to respond to every single comment. Essentially, lines on the screen can be very frustrating, but there's actually a few fixes that you can try. The first thing that I recommend doing is actually just starting off with a force restart to refresh any software. To do this, just press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until that Apple logo appears. Once that Apple logo does appear, release that side button, and then your iPhone is going to restart. However, if that does not work, what I recommend doing is checking your screen protector. Dirt, moisture, scratches, and really just anything can make it look like there are lines. I recommend removing this, cleaning the screen, and saying that that does help. Another trick is to actually just gently press down or massage the screen where the lines appear. You can't really see it right now, but that's actually what I'm doing. And I'm not saying this doesn't sound odd, but it genuinely does help with the issue if there is loose display connections. But with that being said, if lines do still remain, it is likely a hardware issue, maybe from like a drop or an impact. In that specific case, what I recommend doing is just contacting Apple support for repair or replacement. But that's how you can troubleshoot and hopefully fix the lines on your iPhone screen. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.